White Bull's Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, barbecue fam. Chris here from White Bull's Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing buffalo chicken tachos. That's right, they're tater tot nachos, but this time we're doing them with buffalo chicken. So let's show you how we're doing it. Half of this is done in the kitchen, half of this is done on the Traeger, so let's dive into it. So we got some ground chicken, and we're going to hit that with some Bird Gang from White Bull's Barbecue, of course. Link is always below in the description. Let's go. So we threw this in about medium-high heat. We're just gonna season it pretty heavy. All right, time to start breaking this up. All right, we got those Lamb Weston super crispy tots. These are the best. We're set at 425. We're gonna throw them in there, cook them about 3/4 of the way, and then put them in this pan because then everything's going on the smoker. So we got our Bird Gang chicken ready to rock, ground chicken. Tater tots nice and browned. This is what you're looking for. You know, got a little bit of brown to it, but not completely done. Because these are gonna go about 20 minutes in the smoker. All right, that's an important key. And of course, that chicken was seasoned with Bird Gang. Okay, so we put our tater tots into this pan, and we're gonna layer it. We're gonna go cheese first. Nice. Then we're gonna go chicken. Make sure you fill it out nice. You don't want to be missing any spots. Okay, then you're gonna hit it with more cheese. Perfect. Now we're gonna throw these tater tots with the chicken and the cheese on the Traeger. It's rolling at 275. That's gonna melt this cheese. It's gonna kind of heat up everything else going on in the pan. And then we're gonna top this off with chives, sour cream, hot sauce, you name it. Let's go. We're gonna give this one more pop of Bird Gang. So after about 15 minutes on the Traeger, 275, 300, somewhere in that range, your cheese is melting and your tater tots are finishing cooking through. So here's what's gonna happen. We're gonna drizzle it with some red hot, mild, basically your buffalo sauce. Then we got some chunky blue cheese we're gonna drizzle. Then we got some sour cream we're gonna top it off with. Then we got some blue cheese crumbles. These are from Stella and they're aged 60 days. And then of course we have the almighty chives. This is gonna be popping. Let's go take it out to the Traeger. This is looking amazing already. We're gonna add the final touches, and that's a real authentic blue cheese crumble. We already put a little bit of blue cheese in there, but this is gonna take it over the top. Let's do this. Okay, the final touch on any true nachos, it's gotta be a little bit of sour cream. We got the pour bottle, so it's gonna be nice and pretty. Let's do this up. It's gonna be banging. Alright, there's nothing left to do now but to dig in. Whew. Look at this. Oh yeah. Wow. The blue cheese chunks and the chives takes it to a different world, guys. This is so easy, so cheap, and so delicious. Let's take one last look.
White Bulls Barbecue, the best damn barbecue ever.